Now, earlier I was talking about the kind of relationships between these different things, right? And we're saying the resistance doesn't really depend on the mass of the object. It depends on, I think Matt floated the idea of like, the surface that it's sort of going through. So maybe there's like some coefficient for like different surfaces and things like that. So one issue that I found in the textbooks was that they will often present you with an equation like this. So they'll often give you something like R is equal to mkv, or R is equal to mkv squared. And when I saw this, I was like, oh, hang on. Well, why is a mass a factor here, right? One way you might be able to rationalize this is, okay, well, maybe then if we're trying to merge it with this kind of same equation, maybe we just have different forms of the equation. Maybe we have like R is equal to K1, like K2, and then maybe we have like R is equal to K1V, R is equal to K2V squared, right? Because maybe there's like different constants that involve something like that. Actually, like when I was looking through the textbooks, they kind of do this out of convenience, because when you do this in your equations, the m's kind of cancel out. But I don't think that's the actual way that it's meant to be done. But just be aware that they do this a lot in the textbooks. They incorporate m here as a part of the equation, which I don't think is really meant to happen, but it seems like it's a convenience thing rather than an actual scientific thing. So yeah, that's something to be aware of. Just like reading that, yeah. So yeah, no, it's a bit weird why they do that. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure why, but if you do see that, just be aware of it and be like, oh, okay, they're doing this MKV thing. Yeah, I think like there's one particular teacher I know that really doesn't like it because it doesn't really make sense, because the math, like the resistance is not proportional to the mass in any way. So it's kind of like, yeah, I think that's, I don't know if it's wrong exactly in terms of a syllabus thing. I'm still trying to figure that out, but yeah, cool. Yeah.